hockey skate, aluminum frame, aerobic 7 carbon steel bearings, size 12. Well, from the weight of these, I'll tell you right now, they feel super light. So that's the first thing. And they look sweet as heck. These things look sweet. I hope they fit me, because I really don't have to take them back. Yeah, let's check them out. Well, durability test pass. Fifth element. Trying something new doesn't have to be expensive. That's true. Check out our site for 4 o'clock gear, get you on the snow train one. Fifth element, the fifth element. Thank you for your order. We stand by our product. All fifth element gear comes with a 2-year warranty against manufacturer defects. Register for your 2-year warranty. Fifthelementgear.com. Dang. Sweet. Let's check them out. I guess I have to get some socks, huh? Anyway, let's just try these skates on for now. See if these skates even fit us. I really hope they do, because they look sweet. Might as well start with the left. Being that the lefts are always larger. Hope these aren't used. They look a little bit scratched up. I doubt that's real carbon fiber, but it looks sweet. I mean, maybe it is. I just can't believe these are some really nice looking skates. Hey, there's a little bit of wiggle room, not too much. I can't feel where my toes actually are because this is hard plastic. You tell me. What do you think? Think that's too loose? My foot probably real snug in there, huh? There's definitely some give. I feel like an 11 because they don't come in half sizes. I feel like an 11 would be too tight and my foot would just be uncomfortable. Because like I said, I wear an 11 rock climbing shoe, but 11.5 boots. So I'm gonna tie these laces up. We'll get back to it, alright? I'm gonna lace these up as quickly as possible. No, they started them off factory, set laced, and looks like we went about, I'd say about halfway. So we're gonna keep it that tension, not too tight, not too loose, somewhere middle ground between. Just wanna make sure they're getting properly laced up here. Yeah, so much for trying to replace these bad boys up in factory. So I had to reset them, as in unlace them and start from the bottom. Gotta make sure they're even here. Maybe whoever laced them up. There was a man machine, didn't have long enough reach, and I don't know about you, but there's nothing more important than make sure your laces are in. Get a new pair of kicks, in this case skates. Just remember, just keep them loose. What the? Is this thing still moving? Pun intended? No, that was not intended. Just like lacing up a pair of boots. Should've just Yeah, that's my fault. Like, common mistake. Anytime you get a new pair of kicks, you should always just never go with the factory and just relace them yourself by first unlacing them. Unlace, then relace. Save a lot more time. I wasted a good 10 minutes just trying to lace them from factory, and where'd that get me? Nowhere. Now look, it's so much better. You just have to. The biggest concern, the most important thing is making sure they have enough slack up top. Okay, let's say about the first 5 rings, top rings. Not so much worrying about these 4 rings, but the top 5 rings. You want to make sure that they have nice, sufficient slack in the laces. Well, you never get your foot in here, as you saw with this experience. Look at this. That just fits in. All right. So definitely feel a little bit better. I'm gonna do the old wrap around. Maybe I'm not doing that right. Okay. No slack in the foot. Really gotta go this for the back. All right. So it's slanted in a hockey ball. No, my foot feels nice in there. Like the third time, these do not come in half sizes. The fifth element skates, the enforcers, fifth element enforcers, they don't come in half sizes. So ideally 11 and a half would I feel like might be snug. My foot would be nice. But because these are 12, there's definitely there's give in there. They still feel nice. Just I know the hockey skates in particular are supposed to fit nice and snug, especially when it comes to stopping, breaking yourself. Breaking, that is not breaking yourself. Obviously, you never want to break yourself. It's crazy to think just how fragile and delicate human beings actually are. Unfortunately, we're not made of machine. We're not machine-like materials, carbon, steel. As great as it will be, if you made it titanium. We are not, so you just gotta be careful, man. But, oh wow, these ones are even. These laces are actually even. The other ones weren't for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I'm gonna go ahead and relace these anyway. Yeah, anyway, back to what I was saying. As ideal and great as it would be to have titanium infrastructure, skeleton, and carbon kevlars, skin and tendons and muscles and ligaments. We do not. So just have to do our best to be cool, really. So just gotta be cool. Just wanted to flatten these out a little bit before I actually lace them up. There we go. Said, make sure there's slack at those top 5 rings. Those common rings are called eyelets. What the? Not even wearing a sock on his foot. Let's see how this one feels on my leg. Whoa. Still not enough slack. Man, I'm excited to use these. It's been a while. I used to play on a roller hockey team, so definitely excited to try these out. And I can't say that I ever owned a pair of roller hockey skates. I just owned a pair of like normal inline skates. AKA also known as fruit boots. But it's great. I used to own bikes. Bikes are great. I used to skateboard, BMX, all that stuff. Not crazy stunts, but just like skate park kind of stuff. Street. I did a street skater. It's cool, man. I definitely bang myself up. I got my fair share of scrapes and bruises and broken ribs. But honestly, I love sports. I always love roller hockey. So I'm gonna try these bad boys out. I'm gonna take it for a spin and tell you how it went. Shoot a quick video. Well, I could shoot a demo video for you. Let me just try them out first before I do that. Yeah, they definitely feel a little bit loose, damn. Because you know, I'm sure you should factor in socks, thick thick socks. Yeah, thick socks for the rink, especially with the colder seasons. But yeah, guys, thanks for checking out this video. Stay posted. I'll be right back with you.